And now your local weather authority forecast.
It's a cloudy and muggy start across the Midland and Odessa area. This is a live look at Odessa early on your Wednesday morning. Also notice that camera's shaking quite a bit because of easterly winds bringing in even more low-level moisture this morning. City lights highlighting the low-level clouds if you look closely enough, but we can clearly see the Bank of America Tower pretty clearly this morning. However, limited visibility with strong winds are possible later in the day today because of thunderstorms. And we did see quite a bit of that yesterday in parts of the since those storms have roared on through. Now moving through southern and eastern Texas, we are seeing clear skies in western areas of the basin, but there are still lingering low-level clouds in eastern areas of the basin, not really showing up on satellite and radar because those clouds are so close to the ground, indicating a lot of low-level moisture. And with the warm up this afternoon, the warmer air and the moisture will combine together to produce some potentially strong to severe thunderstorms from Hobbs, Lamesa, Ector, and Midland counties, Big Lake, Fort Stockton, down toward the Rio Grande. A marginal risk of severe weather, meaning a low risk of severe weather, but there is that potential for strong wind gusts, hail, and also even flash flooding with frequent lightning. Make sure you guys are weather aware and stay safe out there. Again, we are seeing some clouds in eastern areas this morning, not producing any rain, but storms will start to pop up right around 2, 3 o'clock in the Trans-Pecos, highlighted by those clouds and green dots. Moving near Marathon, Fort Stockton, Sanderson, those darker reds in Brewster County indicate the potential for severe weather, and some of those storms moving through potentially Midland and Odessa, kicking off to the east with another batch of storms forming overnight, moving through near Abilene, maybe clipping the northern and eastern areas of the basin. That's something that we got to watch out for. Before then, warming up in a big way, slightly below normal temperatures either way. Average high 91 degrees, average low 65 degrees. I think it'll actually be pretty close to normal this morning at 65 before warming up to right around 89 degrees this afternoon. Not too shabby for this time of year. Generally starting off in the 60s across the Midland and Odessa area, upper 50s in the higher terrain, low 70s in the Trans-Pecos and also the Rio Grande, sitting right around 66, 67 in the Midland and Odessa area. Warming up in the mid to upper 80s, lower 90s. I think this model has been slightly overestimating our temperatures and continuing today. I don't think we'll reach 92, but reaching the upper 80s, lower 90s from Midland, Odessa this Big Spring before rain-cooled air spreads from Alpine potentially into the basin overnight. Low temperatures in the 60s, storms ending early with persistent east-southeasterly winds sustained at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Stronger winds moving from the Trans-Pecos into the western areas of the basin. Those yellows, oranges, and reds indicate that with 40 to 50 plus mile per hour wind gusts possible overnight to tomorrow morning as those storms start to end. 64 degrees starting off tomorrow morning. Warming up to 89 today, 87 tomorrow with a lower chance of rain, but remaining muggy enough that there will be more chances of rain even as we head to Memorial Day weekend.